हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का लेक्चर शेड्यूल्स ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं किसी भी एग्जाम को क्वालिफाई करने के लिए चार चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। पहला होता है सिलेबस, दूसरा होता है स्टैटिक एंड करंट अफेयर्स, एंड थर्ड होता है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एंड मॉक टेस्ट, फोर्थ होता है रिविजन। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास शेड्यूल्स ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। The schedule of the Indian Constitution are a set of annexes that outline various provisions and procedures from the Government of India. The Constitution of India originally had 8 schedules, but this number has increased over time. Each schedule deals with a different aspect of governance, legislature, and administrative functions. As of today, there are 12 schedules in the Indian Constitution. Here is a brief explanation of each schedule. Schedule first, Article 1 to 4. Territorial boundaries of India. It defines the state and union territories of India along with their respective territories. It also mentions the names of the states and union territories and the boundaries of each, which can be altered by the President though a law passed by the Parliament. Schedule second, Article 59, 64, 71, 75, 98, 123, 148. Provisions related to emoluments, allowances and privileges. This schedule specifies the salaries and allowances of the President, Governor, judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts, Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, members of the Parliament, etc. Schedule 3rd, Article 84, 173, 188, 220, 224 and 224A. Oaths and affirmations. The schedule lists the forms of oaths or affirmations to be taken by the President, members of the Parliament, members of the state legislature, judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts, and other public officers before assuming office. Fourth schedule, Article 80, allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha. It deals with the allocation of seats for the states and union territories in the Rajya Sabha, Council of States, which is the upper house of the Parliament. Fifth schedule, Article 244 and 244A, provisions for the administration and control of scheduled areas. It deals with the administration of the areas that are designated as scheduled areas. We generally refer to the areas predominantly inhabited by indigenous tribal populations. It provides for the creation of Tribes Advisory Council and regulations for the governance in these areas. Sixth schedule, Article 244, 275A, provisions for the administration of tribal areas in certain states. This schedule applies to the tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. It provides for the creation of autonomous districts and regional councils in these areas, giving them a degree of self-governance. Seventh schedule, Article 245 to 255. Division of powers between the Union and the states. The seventh schedule contains 3 lists: Union list, State list and Concurrent list, which defines the subject in which the Union government, State government and both concurrent can legislate. It is crucial for federal governance, ensuring that both levels of government operate within their constitutional limits. Schedule 8. Article 344(1), language recognized by the Constitution. It listed the official languages of India recognized by the Constitution. Initially, the Constitution recognized 14 languages, but the number has increased over time to 22 languages. As of now, these languages are used for official purpose of the Union and states. Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Mithali, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Ori, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sinthali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. These languages are important for governance and their recognition allows them to be used in the Parliament of India, the official courts and other government departments. Over time, demands for the inclusion of more regional languages have been raised, and the 8th schedule serves as a tool for preserving and promoting linguistic diversity in India. 9th schedule, Article 31B, laws that are protected for the judicial review. It was introduced by the First Amendment 1951 and contains laws that are exempted for judicial review by the courts. These laws related mainly to land reforms and the redistribution of land among farmers. 10th schedule, Article 102, 191-2, Anti-Defection Law. This schedule was added by the 52nd Amendment Act 1985 and contains provisions to prevent members of the Parliament state legislature for defecting to another political party. If a member of a legislature defects, they can be disqualified. 11th schedule, Article 243G, Power, Authority and Responsibility of Panchayat. It lists the 29 subjects under the directives of Panchayat, local self-government such as agriculture, education, social welfare, etc. Enable them to function autonomously within the scope defined by the Constitution. 12th schedule, Article 243W, Power, Authority and Responsibility of Municipalities. This schedule contains 18 areas under which municipalities, urban local bodies have authority such as urban planning and regulation of land use, public health and sanitation. Let us see some questions related to the schedule. Which of the following is covered by the first schedule of the Indian Constitution? A. Allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha. B. Territorial boundaries of India. C. Oaths of the public office holders. D. Provisions for the Tribal Advisory Council. The correct answer is B. Territorial boundaries of India. The first schedule deals with the states and union territories of India and their respective boundaries. Question number 2. The provisions regarding the emoluments, allowances and privileges of the President of India are listed in which schedule? A. Second, B. Third, C. Fourth, D. Fifth. The correct answer is A. Second schedule. The second schedule outlines the salaries and allowances for the President, governors, judges and members of the Parliament. Question number 3. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the forms of oath for public office holders? A. First schedule, B. Second schedule, C. Third schedule, D. Fourth schedule. The correct answer is C. Third schedule. The third schedule contains the forms of oaths and affirmation required for the President, judges, members of the Parliament and other public officials. Question number 4. The allocation of seats for the states and union territories in the Rajya Sabha is mentioned in which schedule? A. Second schedule, B. Fourth schedule, C. Sixth schedule and D. Seventh schedule. The correct answer is fourth schedule, B. The fourth schedule outlines the distribution of seats in the Rajya Sabha based on the population of the state and union territories. Question number 5. Which schedule provides for the administration of scheduled area and scheduled tribe? A. Fifth schedule, B. Sixth schedule, C. Seventh schedule, D. Ninth schedule. The correct answer is A. Fifth schedule. The fifth schedule deals with the administration and governance of areas inhabited by scheduled tribes, often referred to as scheduled areas. Question number 6. Which schedule deals with the formation of autonomous district and regional councils for tribal areas? A. Fifth schedule, B. Sixth, C. Eighth schedule, D. 10th schedule. The correct answer is B. Sixth schedule. The sixth schedule provides for the creation of autonomous districts and regional councils in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Let's move to the question number 7. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the division of powers between the union and the state governments? A. Fifth schedule, B. Sixth schedule, C. Seventh schedule, D. Eighth schedule. The correct answer is C. Seventh schedule. The seventh schedule contains 3 lists: the union list, the state list and the concurrent list, which defines the subject on which each level of government can legislate. Let's move to the question number 8. Which of the following languages are listed in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? A. Sanskrit, B. Tamil, C. Hindi, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The 8th schedule recognized 22 languages, including Hindi, Tamil, Sanskrit, and many others. 9th, which schedule protects laws related to land reforms for judicial review? A. 9th schedule, B. 10th schedule, C. 11th schedule, D. 12th schedule. The correct answer is A. 9th schedule. The 9th schedule was created to protect certain laws, particularly related to the land reforms from judicial reviews by the courts. Let's move to the question number 10. The anti-defection law is included in which schedule of the Indian Constitution? A. 9th schedule, B. 10th schedule, C. 11th schedule, D. 12th schedule. The correct answer is B. 10th schedule. The 10th schedule, introduced by the 52nd Amendment Act 1985, deals with the disqualification of members for defection for their political parties. Let's move to the question number 11. Which schedule deals with the powers and responsibilities of Panchayat, local self-government in rural areas? A. 9th schedule, B. 10th schedule, C. 11th schedule, D. 12th schedule. The correct answer is C. 11th schedule. The 11th schedule listed the 49 subjects over which Panchayat have authority, such as agriculture, health, and rural development. Question number 12. Which schedule outlines the powers and responsibility of municipalities, urban local bodies? A. 1st schedule, B. 10th schedule, C. 11th schedule, D. 12th schedule. The correct answer is D. 12th schedule. The 12th schedule specifies 18 areas of authority and responsibilities for municipalities, including urban planning, roads, and public health. Question number 12. Which schedule is associated with the official recognition of language in India? A. 5th schedule, B. 2nd schedule, C. 5th schedule, and D. 8th schedule. The correct answer is D. 8th schedule. The 8th schedule listed the 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India for official purpose. Let's move to the question number 14. Under which schedule can the President of India alter the boundaries of states and union territories? A. 1st schedule, B. 2nd schedule, C. 7th schedule, D. 6th schedule. The correct answer is A. 1st schedule. The 1st schedule provides for the recognition of states and union territories and empowers the President to alter their boundaries. Question number 15. Which schedule contains the provision related to the administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura? A. 5th schedule, B. 6th schedule, C. 7th schedule, D. 9th schedule. The correct answer is B. 6th schedule. The 6th schedule provides special provisions for the administration of tribal areas in these northeastern states. Question number 16. The allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha is done based on the provisions in which schedule? A. 5th schedule, B. 6th schedule, C. 4th schedule, D. 8th schedule. The correct answer is C. 4th schedule. The 4th schedule deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha based on the population of each state and union territory. Question number 17. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas? A. 5th schedule, B. 6th schedule, C. 7th schedule, D. 9th schedule. The correct answer is A. 5th schedule. The 5th schedule addresses the administration and governance of scheduled areas, which are almost inhabited by scheduled areas. Question number 18. Which of the following provisions is not included in the first schedule? A. States of India, B. Union territories, C. Allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha, D. Alteration of state boundaries. The correct answer is C. Allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha. The allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha is part of the Representation of the People's Act, not the first schedule. Question number 19. Which schedule lists the provisions for the creation of autonomous districts in tribal areas? A. 5th schedule, B. 6th schedule, C. 7th schedule, and D. 9th schedule. The correct answer is B. 6th schedule. The 6th schedule officially deals with the creation of autonomous districts and councils in tribal areas, especially in northeastern states. Question number 20. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution provides for the recognition of language used for the official purpose? 5th schedule, 6th schedule, C. 7th schedule, and D. 8th schedule. The correct answer is D. 8th schedule. The 8th schedule provides a list of language recognized by the Constitution for official and educational purpose. तो इसी के साथ आज का हमारा ये क्लास खत्म होता है। उम्मीद है आप हमारे लेक्चर को पसंद करते होंगे और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे और कमेंट करेंगे।